So you have a Amazon Echo Dot. Doesn't matter if it's the first, second, or third generation, and you have an issue where it doesn't respond, or if it's maybe it's frozen, maybe you have lights on here, maybe it's a solid light, maybe you have no lights. Anyways, you're like, Alexa, what time is it? And you get no response or anything. We're going to get you up and running right now. So the first method is this, and this will work for 90% of you guys. What you want to do is go ahead and unplug it, just like this, either from here or the wall socket. You have to leave it unplugged for 30 seconds, okay? You plug it in before 30 seconds, sometimes it'll freeze right away as well. So wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, go ahead and plug it back in, give it a little time to boot up, and hopefully you are back up and running now. Now, if it's still not working, what I would suggest, if you have another adapter, power adapter, go ahead and connect that and see how that works, okay? Also, sometimes it's actually the wall socket as it plugged into. You might want to try another wall socket. And if you're still having issues, then I would recommend just do a factory reset on this and start from the very beginning. So pretty simple.